Afternoon piranhas. I'm out at Rattlesnake Lake and I've been doing a video all day today of coin finds and stuff. I did a little bit in town, but I came out here to try it at the lake because there's a lot more people out here. I got asked to do a coin hunt and ring hunt on a 3-generation old farm, and I'm just excited as hell to go out to this farm. So I am going to meet up with the person and they're going to take me out there, and it's just a couple miles away from this lake, so it's kind of awesome. It's never been picked before, and I'm just looking forward to getting on there. Thanks for joining in, and we'll see what we can find. Well, there you go, 2 train wheels. That's a pretty good find. Right on. I'll get back to you on the next one. This is the old farm, and here we go. Alright guys, we found a stopwatch and it rang under the silver. That is really cool. That is an oldie. And the guy who dug it up, his name is Rinko, and this is his farm. So everybody say hi to Rinko.
Hey everybody.
Okay, now yeah, that's his find. Everything we find on here I'm giving to them guys. I just wanted the YouTube channel stuff, so I'm getting paid big time right now. So thank you guys. I'll get back to you later.
Cars all around.
Okay guys, we found a treasure hoard for real. This stuff is all 1909 stuff. Here's a really old 1909 coin with 2 King Georges on the back, or it might be the Queen and the King.
And 1910, 1935 silver jubilee pendant.
Oh, is that ever gorgeous?
Daddy.
Nice, good find.
What'd you find on there? I know there's some sort of snappage on this one as well. A little hard to make.
Oh,
out.
that's another King George. Look at that.
That's been flattened out possibly by the railroad tracks.
Yep.
I think.
Holy crap, that is really cool. Well, it's pinging down there still. So I'll get back to you if we find more. Well, it looks like someone's addicted. He's found himself a treasure, and I finally actually get to film a metal detect rather than being the detector. Pretty deep, man.
I think so.
Remember that machine will go 9 inches.
Yeah. This one here?
That one 5. And you're getting really close. It's at 2 dots. But see how big it is?
Yeah.
So basically you're measuring out the circumference of what's underneath there. So that's what scares me. There could be cans under there. You're really close to your knives though.
Oh. Duh.
But you know, I think you really tinged onto something. Yeah, there's something under there.
I keep finding stuff over here.
This guy has no fear, ladies and gentlemen. He's a good digger.
He digs every day.
Like I said, there ain't no hole you can't replace.
Oh yeah. That sounds like it's getting close to a 3. Yep.
Right on it.
So you're probably within 2 inches of it.
I can keep this off the ground.
Well, how does it feel to find a 1909 pendant, a squash coin, a King George squash coin, and a King George and the Queen on another coin, all at 1909?
On the first go.
Yeah.
On the first day.
Ladies, that was him that dug that, ladies and gentlemen, not me. I won't claim that. But definitely it is his property, and he said it is old. So this used to be an old farmhand area right here.
Keep stinging. So keep moving.
It'll keep you going. You're on it.
I got this. What the hell?
It's a big piece. Do you want a prod? See if you can push a prod in there.
finding stuff over here.
Find the hard object. It might be pretty hard.
That's pretty hard ground too. I'd be really upset if it's like a piece of pipe.
Oh yeah, well we're not. Yeah, you never know, man.
This thing keeps
No idea.
Telling you to check the wall.
Oh, right here. Something right here. Something.
Says I'm at 2 here.
It says I'm a 7 right here.
Yeah, it's in the wall. That's why you're not finding it. It would be like in that area in there somewhere, maybe.
Dig some more hole.
Oh, you're funny, man. Did you expect to be digging holes in your lawn today?
Oh, maybe for planting, but not for digging out treasure.
Honey, we're putting a tree here.
Yeah, I might have to put a tree here.
All right.
There is something over here.
What did you find?
Oh,
Stick. That is on. No. Right there. Wonder. We're pretty close. It's probably just by hand.
Maybe